Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign a PDF file. We'll cover various methods for adding your signature to digital documents, ensuring your agreements are complete and legally sound. You'll discover how different tools and software can simplify this process, making it efficient and secure. Get ready to streamline your document workflow with easy-to-follow steps and practical advice. There are several common ways to sign your PDFs. You can utilize built-in features in popular PDF viewers, like Adobe Acrobat Reader or Preview on a Mac, which often provide intuitive signing tools. Alternatively, many online e-signature services offer robust solutions with advanced features, perfect for professional use. For enhanced security, consider creating a digital signature backed by a certificate. Let's walk through the signing process step by step. First, open your PDF in your preferred viewer or an online tool. Next, locate the Sign or Fill and Sign option, usually found in the toolbar. You'll then choose how to create your signature, by typing your name, drawing it with your mouse or trackpad, or uploading an image of your handwritten signature. Finally, place and resize it on the document. To ensure a smooth and secure signing experience, always verify the document's content thoroughly before applying your signature. After signing, it's a good practice to save a copy of the completed document for your records. For sensitive information, consider adding password protection to your signed PDFs. Lastly, always confirm that your chosen signing method complies with any relevant legal requirements for validity.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.